Welcome to Let's Go Tagalog, where we invite you to explore the beauty, depth, and uniqueness of Tagalog, the language of the Philippines. Whether you're just curious, just starting out, or already on your learning journey, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Sure, grammar might seem a bit much at first glance, but trust me, we'll make it make sense. It's a space for all ages, all levels, and all backgrounds. No pressure, just discovery. In our last video, we looked at the big picture: sentence order, markers, focus, affixes, aspects, and enclitics. But before we dive deeper into those concepts, let's first learn how to read and pronounce Tagalog words with confidence. Today, we're stepping up our game with pronunciation. With easy tips and fun drills, you'll be saying words like a native in no time. Let's dive in. Let's go Tagalog. Before we dive into sounds, let's rewind a bit. Tagalog, part of the Austronesian language family, has been spoken for centuries, especially around Manila, and became the foundation of Filipino, the Philippines' national language. Cool fact, it's a cultural blend shaped by centuries of contact with other languages. From Spain, after 300 years of colonization, we get Mesa and Cilia. From China, through trade, came ate, pansit, kuya, and lumpia. America added television and basketball, while Japan left karaoke and tansan. These foreign flavors make Tagalog rich and dynamic. Your pronunciation skills will unlock this global story. Now meet your pronunciation guide, the enriched Tagalog alphabet. It began with a 20-letter abacada, but today it's grown to 28 letters by borrowing C, F, J, N, Q, V, X, and Z from English and Spanish. That's how we get words like Jeep, Nino, and more. Here's the full alphabet. Tagalog pronunciation is clear and consistent. Every letter is voiced, no silent surprises. Ready to hear them in action? Let's go! Let's warm up with the 5 Tagalog vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Each with a clear, pure sound. A like father, E like bed, I like sea, O like core, U like food. Say it with me. A, E, I, O, U. Great. Next up, vowel combos. Diphthongs blend vowels into one smooth sound, like I in bye-bye or oi in baboy. Hiatus keeps vowels separate, like a, o in baon, not bound. Try them out. Feel the flow. Now for a cool Tagalog twist, replaceable vowels. In casual speech, I and e and I, and o and u often swap without changing meaning. For example, lalaki becomes lalake, sige becomes sigi, botika becomes butika. Here's the trick. In formal Tagalog, like news or speeches, you'll hear I, makulit, bakit, butiki. But in casual talk, I often becomes makulit, bakit, butike. Both are right. It's all about vibe, region, and context. So why master this swap? It helps you understand regional accents, catch casual conversations with ease, and sound natural whether you're giving a speech or joking with friends. Think of it as your Tagalog superpower: smooth, fun, and flexible. Now that you've seen how vowels like and 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 o and u can swap places, here's another fun twist. Some Tagalog sounds can shapeshift too. Take the word kailan. You'll often hear it pronounced a few different ways depending on the speaker or the region. For example, kailan, the standard form. Kailan, with a smoother flow. Kailan or kelan, more relaxed and casual. Same meaning, just different vibes. This kind of variation isn't wrong. It's part of how real people speak in different regions or everyday conversations. Try them out. Kailan, 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 kelan. Cool, right? You're still asking when, just with different flavor. Let's put them in a sentence. Kailan ang birthday mo? Kailan ang birthday mo? Kailan ang birthday mo? Kailan ang birthday mo? This happens in other words too, like in kaunti. Sometimes sounds like kaunti or konti. Diyan or diyan can come out as Jan, and siya or siya might be heard as siya. These shifts are more common in spoken Tagalog, especially in casual settings or regional accents. For writing, stick with the standard spelling, but for speaking, go with the flow. So go ahead, play with these sound swaps. They'll help you blend in, understand more people, and sound more natural wherever you go in the Philippines. We're not done yet because Tagalog is full of surprises, and that includes borrowed vowel combinations that aren't native but show up thanks to English and Spanish influence. Let's take a peek at some of them. One combo to listen for is aya, like in the borrowed word dialogo. It's pronounced da, ya, lo, go, with a quick ya in the middle. You'll often find this kind of sound pattern in loanwords, borrowed from other languages but now used naturally in daily Tagalog. Here are a few more examples. Pieza, institusyon, sitwasyon, question, biscuit. In these words, vowels and consonants from their original language blend with Tagalog pronunciation rules. Listen to how native speakers say them. It helps you learn how to adjust the rhythm and stress naturally. So next time you spot a borrowed word, break it down like a sound detective. Tagalog adapts foreign terms with style, and now you know how to spot them. Time for drills. Vowel sounds. Repeat after me. Aso, ahas, araw, eroplano, mesa, elepante, ilog, isda, ibon, orasan, ospital, okra, ubas, unan, ulap. Diphthongs and hiatus. Repeat after me. Bye-bye, baboy, sayaw, kulay, kahoy, baon, uupo, iinom, paalam, paano. Replaceable vowel sounds. Repeat after me. Lalaki, lalake. Huli, huli. Bumili, bumili. Mabuti, mabute. Pumili, pumili. Kuryente, kuryente. Kailan, kailan, kailan. Diaryo, diaryo, dyaryo. Tsokolate, tsokolate. And there you have it! We just explored the fascinating world of Tagalog vowel sounds. From the clean and crisp 5 vowels to the sliding diphthongs, those tricky hiatus sounds, vowel substitutions in casual speech, and even borrowed combinations you might hear in modern Tagalog. Remember, understanding how these vowel sounds work isn't just about pronunciation. It gives you a deeper feel for the rhythm, history, and soul of Tagalog itself. And this is just part 1. In part 2, we're digging into consonants, including the uniquely Filipino NG sound and the very important glottal stop. So if you're ready to sound even more natural and confident in Tagalog, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you don't miss out. Hang tight! Consonants are coming up next on Let's Go Tagalog.